Cancer, welcome back to my channel, and in case if you're new over here, then hello, my name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. On this channel, my dear Cancer, you are going to find weekly and monthly zodiac readings like this one. You're also going to find fun pick a card readings about your love, relationship, marriage, past lives, children, career, finances, health, life, and so much more. So in case if Cancer, these topics interest you, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about my upcoming videos. Alright, it's time for some disclaimers, Cancers, that this reading is an absolutely general Cancer reading for the upcoming week. In case if this does not resonate with you, then don't forget to check out my other zodiac readings for the upcoming week as per your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. Also remember, Geminis, Cancers. Also remember, Cancer, that timing is fluid because these readings are timeless readings. So you will come across this reading only when you're meant to watch it, my dear Cancer. All right, so that would mean irrespective of date, time and year, whenever you come across this reading, it will be applicable for that upcoming week for you. All right, now let's see what's in store for you, Cancers. Cancer, the Six of Swords. Six of Swords, you're reaching a decision very, very soon. Is that decision about your work? Six of Rods, Eight of Cups, yes. Are you trying to change your career? A lot of people actually are right now. A lot of zodiacs right now are changing the direction of their career options, or whatever opportunities in terms of their work. And again, I see that same thing happening with you, that most likely you have recently started. Okay, let's see. Anyways, I'll pull up all the cards first. Five of Cups, the Devil, okay, the Five of Rods, Nine of Rods, the Empress, okay, the Empress. All right, somehow I'll include this card in the reading because this card just dropped. All right, so I'll take this here. Okay. Cancer, very interesting cards. So what I see most of your cards are all about your career, all about your work. All right, and I also see that you have been disappointed in terms of something that you were passionate about. Was that a relationship or was it your career? There is something that you started to walk away from, but then you also got a new career, business or work opportunity, and you kind of you are going to grab hold of it, and you are, there was something with regard to your work that you were doing or planning, and you were working towards it, and very, very soon you're going to be victorious in that particular plan. All right, you're already on your way, and very, very soon you're going to reach the epitome or the end of it, and it's going to be victorious for you. But yes, as I said, that there is something that you're very passionate about, Cancer, but you have been disappointed in that particular context. You have been disappointed in that particular context. All right, yeah, you were passionate about something, and I'm getting a feeling that it was a relationship. I'm definitely getting a feeling that it was a relationship, and I think somebody did not care about you at all. Somebody did not care about you at all. They left you totally alone. They left you totally depressed and dejected. Yeah, they just like you dreamt about the whole life with them. You dreamt about a family, a house with them. You dreamt about so many beautiful things in life with them, but they didn't care. They really did not care at all, and they somehow did not they didn't care about your feelings at all, and they've kind of like literally as if like they stabbed on your heart so many times and like hurt you, and you're like so hurt, and so it took you some time, but then it took you some time, but it'll take you some time, but then eventually you are going to walk away from this particular hurt. You are definitely going to walk away from this particular hurt. So also I would like to say that if there is anything toxic in your life at the current moment or in your recent past, then But in this week, you will be successfully walking away from that toxic thing in your life. It could be a toxic habit, a toxic relationship, a toxic person, a toxic situation, a toxic job, anything toxic that you had in your life. You will be saying bye bye to that toxic thing or person or a relationship or a situation in this week very, very successfully. Also, what I see is that in terms of your career, all right, so this whole week I see is all about your career and your personal relationship. In terms of your career, you will be, I think that you're going to say bye bye to this particular aspect in your life and totally going to focus on your practicalities at hand right now, which is your job and your career. You are a very creative person. I see you moving well, and I see you moving in a great and a very beautiful direction in your career. You know that you're very good at your work, and you are a very, very creative person, very energetic person, and you have some plans with respect to your career or job or some kind of brilliant idea. And all I would like to suggest you is that think through that plan a little bit more in depth, add some more finer details into it, so that you're completely like secure your plan, that okay, this is what it is, this is what it is, this is what it is. Like you're like very well laid plan you have when you start working on it. All right. Second thing is that while you are working on this particular thing, there might be some kind of opposition that you might have to face. Some kind of opposition will come on your way, but it is not going to stop you. Nothing is going to stop you, because by towards the end of the week you're going to feel so powerful that you will be unstoppable. All right. And you will, like a go-getter, get the job done. Make sure that you get it, make sure that this work gets done. All right. That is how it is going to be. So irrespective of people going to object it, people going to obstruct your work, nothing is going to stop you. You will be unstoppable. I also see that if this work has anything to do with work from home, it's going to be successful for you. It is going to bring you prosperity, stability, financial gain. I also see for some reason that it could be this person who has left you and gone might come back in your life. All right. I also see that it could also be that you are going to meet a new person in your life. So either of the two situations, you're going to be in a relationship by the end of this week. All right. So it could be this person might be coming back in your life, or it could be a new person coming in your life. Either of the two situation, this person we are talking about, and I most likely feel that it is the same person who's going to realize that mistake and come back to you. All right. Because this particular relationship, to me, both these cards very, very strongly tell me that first of all, this relationship is a karmic relationship for you. You both have traveled with each other across many lifetimes, across many karmic cycles. This is a karmic relationship for you, which is going to come in your life, which is in your life right now, and which is also going to come back into your life, because there are lessons for both of you to learn. And most likely chances are that if you are not married yet with this person, you might also going to be getting married to this person and settling down with them. Possibility of a child as well. In case if you're already married, then you can expect great bonding between you and your life partner. You can expect to receive some good news in terms of pregnancies, impending pregnancies, etc. So those kind of good news is coming your way. All right. And I also see that you will be really focused in your life at this point in time. So you are going to have really balanced energies for this week, with the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Swords. You're definitely going to be very balanced this week. Your focus is going to be all about finding a balance between your beautiful family life and love in your life, which you are going to finally get by the end of this week. And also in terms of your career, it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful, blessed week for you. Let us see, Cancer, what messages or guidance we are getting from your ancestors. All right, let's see what guidance and messages do your ancestors want to give you at this point in time for your upcoming week. Any guidance for Cancers from the ancestors? They want to tell you to trust and thrive. You need to trust and thrive. So in case if you're feeling this dejected over here, just trust the universe that it is going to it is going to take you to wherever you're meant to be and with whoever you're meant to be. All right, so trust and thrive is what they want to tell you. Another card that they want me to pick is this: surround yourself with protective energy. You need to surround yourself with protective energy because somebody is hurting you. All right, so protect yourself so that you don't feel down, dejected and depressed too much, and recover from it and focus on the right things that you need to do in life right now. All right, the last message for you is make plans and focus. Exactly. So whatever you have been planning in terms of your career, you need to make your plans in that aspect and focus in those areas right now instead of feeling depressed and dejected, because whoever has to come back in your life will come back anyway. All right, so this was your reading, my dear Cancer, for this upcoming week. All right, with beautiful messages from your angels and ancestors. I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Until then, you guys do take very good care of yourselves. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.